Hello, it's Spence, the evil genius, with your lab secrets tip of the day. In this video, I want to introduce you to how easy and fun it is to use our new quick launch solutions for ManageWP. What are quick launch solutions? If you've not seen our videos before, these are basically ready to use WordPress sites using some of the most popular themes, plugins, and some beautiful demo data. All right, so let's dive in and get started. I'm over here at ManageWP and I've already logged in. And if I was to go to my dashboard, I'd see something like this. You'll notice if I go to the menu under Install or Clone WordPress, there's two buttons here, one of which is LabZip QuickLaunch Solutions. When I click on that, it's going to take me over to a special library that'll have all of the quick launch solutions you'd like to browse for. Now they range in price from free up to paid, but we have a ton of great ready-to-use free ones that you can get started with. Most of these also include some additional features, including social networking or support forums, even e-commerce. Either way, you'll find a variety of things for your needs. In this case, let's pretend I've just come to LabZip for the first time and I want to take a look at this Frisco LabZip. So I can either add it right to the cart or I can click to browse and see what the details are. In almost all cases, we've got a really nice tutorial video or other education for you to watch to see this in action. Now, if you're interested in doing so, you can click and add this to your cart. I'm going to go ahead and proceed to checkout. And all you need is just your name and your email. Okay, and on the checkout page, since I don't have an account here, I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. I'm going to say it's your name and your password. I know that's a silly last name. And the email is going to be yourname@labsecrets.com. And I can choose an account username, so I'll just say your name. Password, same idea. Your password, your password. Now you only have to do this once because the next time you'll be able to log in and just download whatever you want with one click. So you click place order. And once this confirms, of course it's a free item, it'll go ahead and give you the link. Now you have two ways that you can get this. You can immediately get the file here by clicking download file. I'm going to save this to my desktop, or you'll also get an email. So let me show you what that looks like. And here's what the email will look like. For every order, you're going to have a download link that you can access. Now the nice thing about this too is that in the future, if you ever need to do so, you can always go back to your account and you'll get the latest version of the file. So as we update each of these quick launch solutions for ManageWP, you'll always have the latest and greatest just by going to your LabZip account. Super easy. All right, let's go to the next step. We're going to go back over to our ManageWP dashboard, and we're going to go ahead and add our first website. If you've never done this before, it's really simple, and you can follow along in our videos, but you go to your dashboard, and you click on Add Your First Website. Now, I've set up a brand new fresh WordPress site on my new server, and if you've not done that before, we have other tutorials, but it looks something like this. What we're going to do is use our dashboard at ManageWP to install the copy of Frisco ready to use in 3 minutes or less. All right. So back here at the dashboard, we're going to add in the URL, which is lab 1138. This is just a test site I've set up. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the username. Now I've set up this account with the username of your name. And for all of our actual solutions, we suggest you use this as your sample and then go back after you're done and you can substitute your real username and real password. All right. So we're going to go ahead and add this site. And the first thing it'll do is ask me to add the ManageWP worker. I'm going to click and do that here. It just takes a second. Click on Install Now. And then once I'm done, I go back to my dashboard. I'm just going to activate it first. Go back to my dashboard and I hit the Add Site button again. And that will sync the two together. That means that there's a nice secure connection between my ManageWP dashboard and my new site. And the next step is we want to go ahead and take the file that we just downloaded from LabZip and upload it to this new site. So let's do that. We're going to go ahead and go to the new site into the dashboard. We're going to use the Media Library Uploader. So Media, Add New. Now we're going to grab the file that we just downloaded. And we're going to drag it over here, let go. And depending on your internet connection, this will take just a couple seconds. Great. Now, before we leave this page, what we want to do is highlight this URL. We want to right click and copy it so it's ready to use in our clipboard. The next step is we're going to go back over to our ManageWP dashboard and we're going to use the link on the left that says Install or Clone WordPress. From here, we're going to go ahead and paste in that which we just copied. We're going to click Accept. Now it says, where do we want to have the destination, or what is the destination where we want to clone this? And we're going to use existing site. And here's where you're going to go ahead and add the admin username and password for the new WordPress site you had previously set up. And I happen to use your name and your password. This will be whatever you've used for your WordPress site. Then it says, where do you want to overwrite, or which existing site do we want to overwrite? And we're going to click on this new one, Lab 1138. Gives us a dialog that says, are you sure you want to do it? And of course we do. So let's do it. And that's it. In just under 5 seconds, maybe a couple more depending on your internet speed, you're done. We say okay, and now let's go to the site and see what it looks like. And there you go, that's it. That's how fast and easy it is to set up a new site using this quick launch for ManageWP. In just 3 minutes or less, you can have a site that has all the sample data, the theme, the plugins, everything you need ready to go. And as you can see, even for the hard stuff like site-wide forums, it's ready to use with a sample. You just work backwards. If you have any questions or you're interested in getting started yourself, visit us at labzip.com or check out managewp.com for a wider selection of options. This is Spence, the Evil Genius. We'll see you next time.